Taking a look at the latest coronavirus numbers for Bexar County, we continue to make progress, especially when it comes to hospitalizations. Tonight, Metro Health is reporting 684 new cases. Sadly, though, one new death has been reported. Hospitalizations are now down to 746. This is the lowest number of hospitalizations in exactly 2 months, when there were 705 people in the hospital then. But that number continued to climb through the holiday season until its peak of more than 1,500 in the middle of January.